Fluke Ti480 PRO 60Hz thermal imager review. Real results, sharp focus, zero guesswork.
Ever stare at a blurry thermal blob and realize you genuinely cannot tell if that hotspot is the connection or the cable behind it? I have. One maintenance engineer told me he nearly called a full panel shutdown over a heat signature that turned out to be a shadow artifact. That moment of uncertainty is expensive. Does that situation sound familiar to you? That knot in stomach pressure builds fast when equipment is live, the shift is running, and your thermal image looks more like abstract art than a diagnostic tool. Slower refresh rates blur rotating equipment. Cheap autofocus misses by centimeters. You adjust, recapture, second guess, repeat. There had to be a calmer, faster, more precise way to actually see what the heat is trying to tell you.
Don't just pick any thermal imager. Make sure it has laser-sharp autofocus with a 60Hz refresh rate so you never suffer through blurry, lag-filled images that hide the fault you were trying to find again. Then I discovered the Fluke Ti480 PRO 60Hz thermal imager, and the workflow shifted completely. The 640 by 480 native detector, paired with super resolution, delivers up to 1280 by 960 thermal detail, revealing temperature differences that simply disappear on lower resolution cameras. The 60Hz refresh rate makes scanning moving motors and rotating equipment feel like watching live video rather than flipping through still frames. Here is what surprised me. The multi-sharp focus captures both the front breakers and the rear bus bars in a single sharp image simultaneously. A reliability engineer working a late-night cabinet inspection told me she finally stopped second-guessing her images mid-report because every capture came out crisp and measurable without retakes. 9 ultra-contrast palettes add another layer of visual clarity. Let me be honest, the delta T markers alone are worth serious attention for team-based fault communication. Daily use of the Fluke Ti480 PRO 60Hz thermal imager quietly removes the friction that slows down serious maintenance work. Image capture becomes deliberate rather than hopeful. Reports that once took hours now generate faster through SmartView software and direct Fluke Connect Cloud Sync. One field tester documented saving 3 hours of compliance paperwork on a single manufacturing floor walk because hotspots uploaded to the cloud instantly for the remote repair team. A Pro Tool review specialist praised the laser-sharp distance display for letting technicians show clients exactly where they are pointing, which eliminates miscommunication during live inspections. An industrial contractor shared that the laser-sharp focus paid for itself on the first transformer job by clearly identifying a bushing running 5 degrees hotter than its neighbors. An analyst covering industrial maintenance tools noted that 60Hz refresh rate separates serious predictive maintenance tools from everything else in the category. Now, the obvious objection is the price. The Ti480 PRO sits near $14,000. That number is real and significant. But for facilities where one undetected fault triggers days of downtime, the math shifts fast. Worth noting, battery life drops noticeably under heavy Wi-Fi use, so carrying the second pack is simply standard practice. What would one early catch actually save your operation? The Fluke Ti480 PRO 60Hz thermal imager turns guesswork into grounded, documentable certainty across electrical, mechanical, and building diagnostics. Thousands of industrial engineers and maintenance teams are already running it daily with consistent results, though results may vary depending on application and environment. If clearer images, faster fault identification, and smarter reporting sound like the upgrade your workflow genuinely needs, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and the pinned comment below. Go explore it and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.